NASA is running the same playbook that achieved what many thought was impossible on July 20th, 1969, and we are going back. And this time, we are never giving up the moon again. Under President Trump's leadership, we are not measuring success on how fast we spend taxpayer money, but in the world-changing outcomes we deliver for the American people. No longer will we tolerate programs attempting to make everyone happy, programs that are too big to fail but too costly to truly succeed. President Trump has outlined the priorities in the national space policy: return to the moon, build the base, usher in new science and discovery, get underway on nuclear power in space, and prepare for where we go next. NASA will never be just a procurement organization, but the talent that represents the best of America, working to deliver the headlines only NASA is capable of achieving. Over time, more than 75% of NASA's workforce became outsourced. Skills atrophied, capabilities lost, leading to delays, cost overruns, and in many cases, billions lost in program cancellations. Well, that ends. Apollo showed the model for success, and we are rebuilding core competencies. We're working alongside OPM, NASA Force, and converting thousands of roles across multiple centers in engineering, operations, and other critical fields. We're bringing expertise back where it belongs, at the greatest space agency the world has ever known. The results are already clear in this golden age of science and discovery. Your new NASA is working faster, harder, safer, with clear momentum towards launching Artemis 3 in 2027 and Artemis 4 in 2028, when NASA astronauts will once again walk on the moon. And through these workforce efforts to rebuild core competencies and programmatic changes to return NASA's focus to national space policy objectives, we have already identified over $3 billion in taxpayer savings that can be used to fund new world-changing missions. NASA was never meant to be a caretaker of history, but to make history, and we are just getting started.